question is right up my alley. As I said earlier, I'm the leader of the Party for Accountability, Competency, and Transparency. We take very seriously accountability at PAC. Every candidate to an elected office has to sign a document in front of a lawyer. It's called the Accountability Oath. This is a premier in Canada. Accountability Oath means that you cannot make promises that you cannot keep, and if you break them, you're out. And secondly, we are using online voting, which is an online tool where taxpayers can register, and then once they get a unique token to vote, once the vote reaches a quorum of 15% and there's a majority of 53%, then the elected official is compelled, regardless of his or her opinions, has to vote in accordance to the will of the people, of the taxpayers. For example, I live at Lakeshore and Bathurst. The city airport is really literally 2 minutes away. I can walk to the airport, and I do that. I don't want to be in the position to decide for the whole city of Toronto that jets cannot land at the city airport just because they bother me. So whether I like it or not, I will put this, actually it's on my website, anybody who's a registered Torontonian, has an address in the city of Toronto can vote, and if the vote reaches 15% of quorum of registered voters, and there's a decision of 53%, then regardless of what I want, I will have to vote to respect the will of the majority. So this is a level of accountability that it has not been seen, not only in Canada, worldwide. PAC has been prized for bringing the accountability in the internet era to the highest possible level. My accountability oath is on my website. I signed it.
Thank you very much.